And now, Seal Tech, brought to you by Steel Rubber Products, helping restore the car of your dreams.
For today's Seal Tech, we're going to continue with our list of the 7 biggest mistakes that you can make when you're dealing with weather stripping. Why? Because weather stripping is on pretty much everything. And the more tips and tricks you know, the easier it is. Now, so far, we've dealt with number 1, throwing away your original weather stripping before you have a replacement. Number 2, not prepping the surface properly. And now we're moving on to number 3, not test fitting the new weather stripping before you try to install it. Now, there are several reasons for doing this. Number 1, you want to make sure that the piece of rubber in your hands is the right part. And you're not trying to install the rear window weather stripping onto the front window, because these things can tend to look the same. Also, a lot of weather stripping has corners built into it. They've got clips. They've got all kinds of plugs. Some are held in with screws. And a test fit will reveal if you need to pick up any extra fasteners to put the weather stripping in. And then finally, on a lot of door and window weather stripping, sometimes you've got to cut it and trim it to get it to fit just right. Now is the time to do it. This is why a test fit of new weather stripping is important. Mistake number 4 goes right hand in hand with the test fit, and that is not double checking the orientation of the rubber as you're installing it. Now, I know you're probably thinking, what? How hard can it be? You just put it in. Oh, take a look at this. There's a lot of grooves and nooks and crannies and weird shapes on these weather stripping pieces, and it is really easy to get things turned around. You would be surprised how many people will install a piece of weather stripping upside down or backwards, especially in a trunk. Another tip to help keep things orientated properly is to take pictures of a piece of the original rubber in place on the vehicle, or save a small piece of the original rubber with it well marked on how it fits.